April 2025. India draws a line in the sand. Chinese electric vehicle giant BYD? Blocked. Elon Musk's Tesla? Invited. In a world of rising tensions and roaring ambitions, India's third-largest auto market just made a move that's shaking up the EV race. Is this the golden ticket Tesla's been waiting for? Or a tightrope walk over a pit of risks? Let's unravel the stakes, the strategies, and the electrifying future awaiting India and Elon Musk. Picture India in 2025. A nation of 1.4 billion where crowded roads and honking horns define daily life. Gasoline powers over 98% of vehicles here. But change is coming. The government aims for 30% of new car sales to be electric by 2030, a bold target in a market where EVs barely hit 2% today. Affordability drives everything. Local stars like Tata Motors and Mahindra dominate with budget-friendly options. Think Tata's Nexon EV at $17,000. Global giants circle. China's BYD with cheap cutting-edge cars, and Tesla the luxury EV icon. Then India flipped the script. Union Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal steps up. Early April 2025 at the India Global Forum in Mumbai, he drops a bombshell. BYD, the Chinese titan that delivered 4.27 million vehicles worldwide in 2024 and outsold Tesla, gets a hard no. As of now, it's a no, he tells Bloomberg TV. This isn't just business, it's strategy. Geopolitical tensions with China fuel the fire. Border clashes, economic rivalry, and security fears set the stage. Last year, BYD pitched a $1 billion factory with a local partner. India said no. It's not the first rejection. Great Wall Motors walked away in 2022 after hitting the same barrier. Why the shutdown? It's bigger than cars. India eyes China's EV dominance, over 60% of global production, with caution. Beijing's protectionist moves don't help. In 2024, China urged its EV makers to keep factories and tech at home, locking in its lead. BYD, with murky ties to the Chinese state, raises alarms in New Delhi. Subsidies, cheap labor, and non-market tactics make BYD's cars like the Atto 3 too competitive. India won't risk it. That same week, US President Donald Trump threatens China with new import taxes. Global pressure mounts, and India picks its side. Flip the coin. While BYD's out, Tesla gets the green light. India's courting Elon Musk, offering incentives to bring his electric empire in. Tesla's flirted with India before but recoiled at the 100% import duties on fully built cars. Compare that to 2.5% in the US or 25% in China. It's a wall. Those taxes protect Tata and Mahindra but kept Tesla's $40,000 Model 3 out of reach for most Indians. Now India's hinting at relief. Lower duties, local manufacturing perks. Musk's listening. In 2023, he met Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Rumors point to a $2 billion Tesla plan in Gujarat. Could this be Tesla's moment? The wins stack up. India's EV market? A $50 billion gold mine by 2030, ripe for the taking. Tesla's brand power, sleek Model Ys cruising Delhi streets, could turn heads. Local production might cut prices, pitting Tesla against Tata's budget EVs. India's also eyeing free trade deals with the US and EU. If duties drop, Tesla could flood the market. Geopolitics plays in Musk's favor too. His American badge aligns with India's shift from China. It's a potential jackpot. Jobs and tech for India, a massive new turf for Tesla. But risks loom large. India's market is unforgiving. Price rules. 80% of cars sold cost under $15,000. Tesla's premium tag might flop. Even with a factory, matching Tata or Mahindra's affordability is a steep climb. Infrastructure's another hurdle. India has just 10,000 public charging stations. China boasts 2 million. Range anxiety could stall Tesla's rollout. Geopolitics cuts both ways too. If US-India trade talks falter or China strikes back with bans, Tesla could get squeezed. Musk's bold bets like Shanghai paid off before, but India's a different beast. So is this a win for Tesla and Musk? Maybe. It's a door cracked open, a chance to electrify a billion dreams. But it's no guarantee. India's playing a high-stakes game, juggling security, growth, and global ties. For Tesla, it's a shot at greatness or a lesson in a market that bends for no one. BYD's out, Tesla's in, but the road ahead twists and turns. One thing's clear. The world's watching. India's EV revolution just hit the gas. What's the verdict? Will Tesla conquer India, or will the risks run it off the road? The stakes are high, the future's electric, and the battle's just begun.